My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor.
I want to show you how to use and access your OneDrive account. You have a tremendous amount of storage in OneDrive, but you might not know how to access it. So starting at the portal.csu.niv.edu, we're going to go into not Blackboard, but faculty and staff email. So we're going to go to the web email. Now that's important, not your regular email, but the web email, because when you look at your email, you're going to see in the upper left-hand corner these little dots, this little box of dot, 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 and you click on it, and you see you have access not only to Outlook, which is where you are, but to Word and PowerPoint and other activities here that you can use online or regularly. Now, here right next to it is OneDrive. If you click on OneDrive, you can see where you can access your OneDrive account. Now, what you can do with the OneDrive is this. We're going to set up just a simple folder and import a file, and then show you how to link things. So if you wanted to start a new folder, let's say, let's call this folder, and let's call it our OneDrive mega folder. Okay. So you type the title, OneDrive mega folder, and click create. Mega folder. Now, if you want to upload something, say from your desktop that you have just worked on, click Upload, File, and then I find this item that I just created, how to create online assignments, and I open it. Now this is a video. It's important that you understand this process, because once this uploads, I'm going to be able to then give that link out to students, and they'll be able to go right to it. While it's uploading, you can click on uploading and see its progress. Okay, when it shows that it's done, you can click share link. Now you can provide this link to your students. So you have to be careful. You don't want to say anyone with a link can edit. You want to allow editing or not, or share within certain people within CSU. You can set an expiration date, say the end of the semester if that's what you want to do. But we're just going to not allow editing and click apply. And anyone can view, and then we copy the link. Now if we've copied this link, we can essentially, when we share it by email, this is what they'll get, and it'll go right to that file. Now depending on the size of the file, there can be a delay between the recognizing of the file and opening. So that's it. I hope that that helps you understand how to use and manage OneDrive. Again, everything comes from this OneDrive account. I would bookmark it just for the sake of ease, but use OneDrive. You have 5 terabytes of space. You can back up your computer, which I highly recommend. You can use it to create and share links for students, but it's a very useful resource.
So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.